Do you know what timing screws do? Give me a moment and you will. I'm John Henry. I wrote the book on packaging machinery. Buy it on Amazon. There's a link in my profile. Perhaps you know that they can space bottles and synchronize them into an in-feed star wheel as shown here. That's a common and useful application, but they can do a lot more, as this video from CSS International shows. And lots more besides. It's easy when you know. Call or email me at www.changeover.com if you have questions or need assistance. Be sure to follow and subscribe. I post new videos every Monday and Friday. See you next time.